Hi friends, now today we are going to solve the questions of P3O Foundation examination, and that to specific the chapter 2. Now if you recall, what is the chapter 2? Chapter 2 is regarding why we have a P3O. Okay, so that is the chapter 2. Let's solve the questions 41 2. Now question says which of this, like which is an example of support and enabling activity of the P3O value matrix. Now if you recall the P3O value matrix very well, there are two type of function. One is your support and enabling function, and second assurance and restraining function. So there is an activity where you are control the things, and that where you are support the thing. So I had given you an example. It's kind of flying a kite. So if you fly the kite, there are two type of things. How you make sure that kite is fly above in the sky, by providing release the string, and sometimes to control the kite you have to stretch the string. Similarly, support and enabling function is releasing the string so that your performance projects are do very well, and it's not a restraining or assurance function. So if you read the options available, option A says that managing the delivery of the program. Option B says that assure program outcomes in line with the business strategy. Read the word careful, ensuring. So that is not a support function. It's a kind of compressing thing. Options is providing tools and tools to assist the project manager to deliver the project. Okay, that is related to your support and enabling. And option D says that checking whether the delivery initiatives is on schedule or not. Now checking, ensuring, these all things are negative, that what you are doing here, an assurance function. But managing tools, providing support, that you do in a support and enabling function. So that might be the correct answer. Managing delivery of program, that is not the job of P3O, that is the job of your program officer. So I believe C is the most correct answer. Yes, that is the correct answer. And providing tools, templates, data to assist the project manager to deliver is supporting enabling activity. So that is the correct answer. Question number 42. Which statement regarding the P3O assurance function and services is false? Now read this question carefully. It's false. So sometimes you know the right answer, but you mislead by the notion of complete the exam fast. So read option A says carry out audits of its own P3O function. So it's kind of self audit. It's a conflict of interest kind of thing. So maker and checker should be a two different entity. So here doing your own audit, it's conflict. So I believe that could be the false statement. Second, take various forms of regular health check. Okay. C provides guidance to start up the project. Okay. And D says provide independent assurance. In addition to that, provide a program board. So that might also all B to D is correct. I believe A, that is a false statement. Yes, that is a false statement because it's a conflict of interest kind of situation. P3O itself should be a subject of independent assurance, and external audit should not be. Therefore it's P3O do their own audit. So that is the first one. Question number 43. Which of the best management practice principles are extracting the value? Help answer the question. Are we getting the business benefits? Now I ask you that whenever there is a benefits, you have to search question like value, a business case, value, and benefits, or are interlinks. So I believe here safeguarding value is the most appropriate answer, but you can still read the question. Option B, prioritizing investment, C, hold people to account, and D, govern effectively. So I believe A, safeguarding value, that would be the correct answer. Yes, that is the correct answer, because safeguarding value ensure that business owners can identify via the benefits tracking services provided by P3O whether the benefits are being achieved or not. Question number 44 says what part of business change governance? Answer the question. Are we doing the right things? So it's a doing the right thing. That is the first question that related to your strategy. So are we that is the correct answer. So if you read this business change strategy, are we doing the right thing? Business change delivery, are we getting the things done? And business change design, are we doing the things right way? Okay. And business change value, are we getting the business benefits? Okay. So this way D is the most correct answer. Yes, that is change strategy. Answer the question, are we doing the things right? Question number 45, which is not a reason why P3O should measure a key performance indicator? Again, read it, not a reason. So maintaining commitment from the stakeholder over time, justify program within the portfolio, measure the success of the P3O implementation, set overall targets for improvement. Now here, key performance indicator. So option A, maintaining the commitment from the stakeholders. Okay, you can do that. Justifying the program within the portfolio, that is not the KPI. So there is two things. KPIs are there to measure how you are achieving. Whether this particular justifying the portfolio, that is a business case. Now business case, where we are doing business case when we understand whether we have to start or not. So that is not a KPI, but once you invested, then you set a KPI to measure the success of that. So C, measuring the success of implementation, set overall targets, that's all are correct. So B is the correct answer. It should not be the reason. It's business case, that is justify the investment decision. Okay, so that's for today. Thank you.